Hello, today I will be trying Nature's Ego Loc Gel. This is a gel that my client brought in for me to use on her hair per her request. Immediately, some things that I noticed: that it is very lightweight, it has an amazing natural smell, and it smooths very well. As I worked my way towards the front of her hair, I also noticed that it does not leave the scalp dry. When it dries up, it leaves the scalp more moisturized, which is very awesome. I can definitely tell that whoever made this product used organic ingredients. Whole time I'm retwisting, I'm just sitting there smelling this product, and it just smells so freaking amazing, like just so natural, so fresh, and so clean. She also chose the option to bring her own hair, and for a minute I was a little wary because it wasn't humid. I took it apart, cut it, and just fed in the curly hair throughout the lock like I do usually. And I can say that it gave it a more fuller look. This is Kankaline hair, so that's why I was a little nervous. But it actually came out pretty well. To give a more full, dense look, for most of her rope twist, I added 3 pieces of hair left out. On some, I left out maybe 2, but overall, it gave it a really good balance. Once all the hair was fed into the rope twist, I took a little mousse and kind of curled the curl around my finger with the mousse, and that kind of helped with the frizz and gave it a more neat, uniform look. And this is the finished result. I love how it came out. She will keep me updated on how well the curly hair lasts, so stay tuned.